Mobile wallets. Are they the future for self-custody? We're talking all about crypto mobile wallets today. Okay, in the crypto ecosystem, how they work. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's go. Now guys, what are crypto wallets? Go over to g2.com and have a little look, but I'm going to give you an overview. So cryptocurrency wallets provide users with a digital solution for securely storing and managing blockchain assets and cryptocurrencies. Now these wallets allow users to spend, receive, and trade cryptocurrencies, while some cryptocurrency wallets may only provide support for a single cryptocurrency. Okay, many are multi-asset solutions and actually allowing users to hold more cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcash, Ethereum, Litecoin, among many others, right? These solutions ensure that the owner of the cryptocurrencies and blockchain assets is the only entity who can access the funds. By requiring elaborate passwords and other security measures, users can actually view or access cryptocurrency wallets from smartphones or computers. Basically, it means it's keeping you super safe, okay? You are kept super safe with your crypto, with your Bitcoin, with your Bitcash, Ethereum, any of the tokens that your crypto wallet is holding. Dive over to Simply Learn, link down below, okay? And actually have a look at what the wallet and how does it work. Now that you know that blockchain wallets work, it's imperative that you should know about their futures, okay? Also about their features, and here are some of the important ones on the blockchain wallets. It is easy to use, all right? Just like any other software or a wallet that you use for your day-to-day transaction. Now it's high secure. It's just a matter of securing your private key, all right? Simple as this, and allows instant transactions across geographies, and these are barriers without intermediaries. Now, low transactions fees, low cost of transferring funds is much lower with traditional banks, allows transactions across multiple cryptocurrencies, and this actually helps you do easy currency conversions. They're just a few things, all right? A few of these features here, but please dive into this whole article. It tells you everything you need to know about all of it, and I really need you to do your own research on this one, guys, because it does matter which kind of wallet you're choosing. Now, talking about the mobile wallet security inside of crypto, the safety is essential, and cryptocurrency are high value targets for hackers. Now, some safeguards include encrypting the wallet with a strong password, using two-factor authentication for exchanges, okay, and actually storing any large amounts you have offline. But most modern wallets generate a 12-word mnemonic seed phrase. An example seed phrase could be airport bedroom impression sample, okay, reception protection roadshow, which seems random but is created and linked to your keys by your wallet. You can actually use these phrases to restore the wallet if the device is lost, damaged. These words should be carefully stored in a safe place. Guys, please write this down, put it in a safe, okay? Do not send this online. Do not send this to your friends. This is what's going to allow you to connect to your cryptocurrency. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I am super happy that I get to bring you this. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, or if you do use a wallet already. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.